This right here is how much my money market fund paid me in 1 month. This is not from salary, neither is it from side also. It's from the same investment that anyone in Nigeria can start. And before you scroll past, you don't need millions to start. This is the same safe, low risk investment opportunity that I've been doing for years. And today I want to break down exactly how it works, how I got this, how you can start doing this for yourself this month, and why it's one of the easiest ways for beginners to grow their money without stress. If you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My name is Doyisola Toye. I am a certified chartered accountant, and on this channel, I share smart tips that will help you make, manage, and multiply your money. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. I've been investing for years. I've seen the highs and the lows. I've seen the hype and scams. But one thing I usually come back to when it comes to investing, especially for beginners, is the money market fund. My very first investment several years ago was the money market fund. It wasn't glamorous, it didn't make me a millionaire overnight. It was safe, it was consistent, and it gave me the confidence to explore bigger investment opportunity. And that is why today I want to show you why it still works. Here is my statement for the month. This amount was credited into my investment account. So when I was setting up my money market fund account with FSTH, I chose the option of reinvest my interest. Don't pay it into my bank account. This is one of the mistakes that many people make, which I'm still going to talk about in the later part of this video. This is not capital, this is just profit, and that's without lifting a finger. My money was simply working for me while I focused on my daily life. I'm showing you this because sometimes numbers speak louder than theory. If I say money market funds are good, it's easy for you to ignore. But when you see actual returns, you will know that this is not theory, it is real. So, what then is a money market fund? Money market fund is a type of mutual fund that invests in low risk short term securities like FGN savings bond, treasury bills, commercial papers, and bonds. Think of it like pooling funds with thousands of people. Then a professional fund manager invests it in a safe short term opportunities that will give you better rates than your savings account is going to give you. The difference between this and the fixed deposit is flexibility. With a money market fund, you can withdraw your money at any time after the initial lock-in period. And unlike leaving your money in the traditional bank account, your money is actually working for you. Now let's address the big question. Why choose this investment? Number one is low risk. Your capital is preserved and safe. Number two is liquidity. You can withdraw your money whenever you want it. Number three is higher returns than your savings account or traditional bank account is going to give you. Banks will give you 1 to 3% per annum, but with money market fund, you can get as high as 22, 23% depending on the interest. And the number four is no daily stress. You're not monitoring charts, you're not following up the news every day. Your capital is saved, you're rested, everything is automated. This is a perfect investment for beginners who are looking to start investing. And it's also good for experienced investors where it's a good place where you can keep your cash while you're still waiting for bigger investment opportunities rather than leaving it in your traditional bank account. Now, I didn't start earning 96K a month overnight. This is the result of consistent contribution. I want you to see the trend of the interest between January to July 2025. Here it is. And you can be asking yourself, why is it that the interests are not the same when this is a fixed investment? Yes, it's because of three things. Number one, it depends on how much you start with, how much you top up every month. and if you withdraw from it, your interest amount is going to be low. Number two is interest rate that is obtainable. For example, FSDH will send you daily market reports, the interest that is obtainable every day. It can go up and it can come down slightly. And number three is the number of days in the month. Every month, I had money to my money market fund. Sometimes 50K, sometimes 100K, sometimes more, depending on how much available cash I have. I treat it like a bill. And over time, the money grew, not just from my contribution, but from compound interest. My interest earning interest, and my interest also earning interest. Eventually, the interest reached a point where it's paying me more than some people earn from their side hustle, even without lifting a finger. If you start with 100K or 5K or 50K, your interest is going to be small. But when you do it consistently over time, without withdrawing your interest, reinvesting your interest, and adding to it every month, you are going to see massive return. You'll be shocked at how much passive income you can make from just investing. The magic is for you to do it consistently and treat it like a long term habit rather than a quick cash grab, and watch how your money will grow. People often ask, is it safe? Yes, it is safe. Your capital is preserved. Number two questions that people often ask is my money going to disappear? Will anything happen to my money? Nothing is going to happen to your money. Your money is safe, except something terrible happens to the fund manager, which is extremely rare. And the last question is, how much can I start with? You can start with as little as 5,000 naira. Some platforms like FSDH, ARM allows you to start with as little as 5,000 naira. The key is to start where you are and keep going. So whether you are brand new or you're already investing, starting is straightforward. Step one is to choose a reliable fund manager, either FSDH, ARM, Stanbic IBTC, or Meristem. Number two is for you to decide the goal. Is this going to be your main investment? Is this going to be a supplementary investment? And number three is, don't just dump money into it once and leave it. Dump money into it once, but ensure that you dump money into it consistently, and don't withdraw your interest. Reinvest your interest so that you can take full advantage of compound interest. A few traps to avoid. Number one is withdrawing your money in and out. Today you're withdrawing this, tomorrow you're withdrawing that. Number three is, don't ignore the fact that the interest is not fixed. The interest will fluctuate, but it's slightly down and it's slightly up. But you can predict the range of how much you're expecting to get every month, depending on how much you put into this investment. For me, money market fund isn't my highest return investment. There is stocks and there is ETFs, but this is reliable, stable. It's also my go-to when I need to keep cash I will need within a year, and it's safe to keep it there rather than leave it in the bank account where I'll get 1 3%, or leave it in um uh high yield savings account. So for me, money market fund is better for me. Now I am showing you this for you to see what is possible. 96K a month might seem unrealistic for you for a start, but I want you to know that it is achievable. If you start with your 5,000, your 10,000, your 100,000 naira, before you know it, you'll be getting hundreds of thousands every month as interest without you lifting a finger. If you are interested in learning how to choose the right fund manager, how to set up your account so that you can also start investing in mutual fund, money market fund, I am having a class that is starting on the 31st of August 2025. It's three powerful classes that focuses on investing in treasury bills, FGN savings bond, mutual fund, money market fund, stocks, and ETFs. Each of these classes goes for 7,000 naira. But if you want to attend the three classes, you'll be paying 20,000 naira for the three classes. I don't just want you to watch me grow my money. Let's grow yours too. I'll drop the link in the description box below so that you can click register and secure your seat, because seats are filling up very fast. If you've learned something in this video, I want you to like, share, subscribe for more smart investing tips. And I want to hear from you in the comment section. Are you still scared of investing? Do you have any question whatsoever? What part of this video interests you, encourages you, inspires you to actually pick up your investment journey? Drop all of them in the comment section. I will be reading and replying you. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.